You can't imagine how children are so happy with this drone being flown. There's no pilot here. This is the machine. On the earth, he will pull the machine, he will use the machine, and then the drone will fly. And children are having a lot of fun. You can't imagine how funny they really felt. And it's enjoyable. I was thinking that it might make you happy when the children in this video are happy. So drone is being widely used nowadays, and this is a great tool for YouTubers. You can buy a drone and you can fly, and you can keep a camera on it, and then you can have the rare view from the sky. Children are having really great time, and the old adults are also having fun. It's not that really matters how much we enjoy. What matters is that how much the children enjoy. So this is at gate, Huldagasi gate, and I was visiting my sister's house, and I found that a lot of boys with a lot of children having fun with the drone. So have you flown any drone? How much do you know about it? You have your comment. And if you watch this, you can, Babu is here. He's Stuart. He works in with Bangladesh Biman, and all these from Dhaka city are visiting here on the festival. They are all together, so it's really a great fun. So can you see the drone? And there is Sholwa Daulatpur Lake, and over that you have also seen probably the beautiful view of lake. So anything that you see in bird's eyes will be more colorful, more enjoyable. So what kind of pleasure do you do when you are with children? Children you should be making happy, and they should enjoy, so that you will also be liked by them. So such a nice environment. Little kids are there, my grandsons are there, my cousins are there. It's really fun, great fun. Children are happy. When they're happy, we are also happy. So this kind of amusement you should be very often familiar with. So my granddaughter and my grandson, they're two brother and sister. They're from Pabna, and it was a big gathering, nice gathering. This child is playing. As he was throwing something, he dropped his flip-flop, flip-flops, sandals or chappal. And my brother-in-law is right side, and this is his granddaughter. So a lot of machines, a lot of tools you can see nowadays, and I don't know whether the children will have very good time 20 years later. What will happen, I don't know. Old people may die any time. So it's really enjoyable to see all these children having fun, and I'm really surprised what will happen after some years. As we've seen a lot, we saw clay, we saw dirt road, but later we saw mobile phone, and then camera, and so many things.